lightweight, compact and easy to assemble. Cockpit is designed for comfort and maximize space, and inflatable I-beam floors add stability. Removable skeg provides exceptional directional movement. Top reviews from the United States. Fun, easy to use, super value for money compared to solid kayaks. This kayak is currently with me on a weekend break to Scotland. The first morning I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m. on a Saturday. What could persuade me to get out of bed before 10 on a weekend? This kayak, waiting for me in the boot of the car. I carried it easily down to the water's edge of Loch Etive. The tough bag it comes in large enough to fit in a few extra bits and pieces as well as the kayak, pump and paddle. Because it's not a tight fit in the bag, unpacking on the rocks by the water was simple. Fearing the hand pump would take most of the morning, I got to work. The kayak was fully inflated in a flash, ready to go with very little actual effort. The paddle clipped together easily, with an adjustable angle on one paddle end for people who know much more about kayaking than I do. Hoisting the kayak under one arm to take it to the water's edge, it was a manageable yet comforting weight. It handled being wriggled awkwardly into admirably, being fairly wide, it feels lovely and stable. The only thing left was to paddle out and enjoy the gorgeous Scottish summer day. Right now as I type I'm waiting impatiently for the sun to come up just a little more so I can take this kayak back to the water. Loch Etive opens to the sea and has its own small colony of seals. Let's see if I can find them. Under £70 to get out onto the water wherever you go? Well worth it.